Hey everyone, it's Jimmy here. Today, we're diving into 5 mouth-watering bacon dinner recipes that you absolutely need to try. We're talking about taking bacon to the next level. Get ready for some serious food coma action because these recipes are crazy delicious. We're talking bacon-wrapped chicken, bacon carbonara, bacon and cheese stuffed peppers, bacon-wrapped meatloaf, and bacon mac and cheese. Make sure you've got your stretchy pants ready because things are about to get real tasty, real fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. Let's get cooking. All right, first up, we're tackling the bacon-wrapped chicken. This recipe is so easy, even I can make it. You're going to need about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Cut them in half if they're really big, just to make sure they cook evenly. Grab your bacon. You'll need about a pound of that deliciousness too. Wrap each chicken breast with a couple of slices of bacon nice and snug. Sprinkle some of your favorite seasonings on top. Pop them into a baking dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the bacon is crispy. While the chicken is baking, whip up some mashed potatoes and gravy for the perfect side. Next up, we're traveling to Italy with my personal favorite, bacon carbonara. This dish is pure comfort food. Cook up some spaghetti according to the package directions. Dice up about half a pound of bacon and cook it in a large skillet over medium heat until it's crispy. Whisk together 4 egg yolks, a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper in a bowl. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet with the crispy bacon. Toss to coat everything. Turn off the heat and slowly drizzle in the egg yolk mixture while constantly stirring. Sprinkle on some fresh parsley and dig in. Get ready for these bacon and cheese stuffed peppers. They're hearty, flavorful, and packed with cheesy, bacony goodness. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab 4 large bell peppers, any color you like. Slice them in half and scoop out the seeds. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. In a bowl, combine ground beef, cooked rice, chopped onion, shredded cheddar cheese, and crumbled bacon. Mix until well combined. Spoon into pepper halves and sprinkle cheese on top. Place in a baking dish, add water, cover with foil, and bake for 30 minutes. Remove foil and bake 20 more minutes until tender. Get ready for a classic with a twist bacon-wrapped meatloaf. This recipe is the definition of comfort food. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a loaf pan. In a large bowl, combine 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of milk-soaked breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, half a cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and your favorite seasonings. Lay out 6 to 8 slices of bacon in a weaving pattern on parchment paper. Press the meatloaf mixture onto the bacon, shaping it into a loaf. Wrap it up nice and snug. Place the bacon-wrapped meatloaf in your prepared loaf pan and bake for about an hour and 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We're ending this epic bacon journey with the ultimate crowd pleaser bacon mac and cheese. This recipe is the definition of cheesy, bacony goodness. Cook elbow macaroni as per package directions. Melt butter in a large saucepan. Whisk in flour and cook for a minute. Gradually whisk in milk until smooth and thick. Stir in shredded cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Parmesan cheese. Cook bacon until crispy. Crumble it into pieces. Stir macaroni, bacon, and bacon grease into the cheese sauce. Pour into a greased baking dish and sprinkle cheese on top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until bubbly. There you have it, folks! 5 epic bacon dinner recipes that will rock your world. If you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty videos. See you next time.